Only 3 hours from Cape Town, De Hoop Nature Reserve is situated in the Overberg region on the southernmost tip of Africa. It is approximately 36,000 hectares in size and is a paradise for hikers, cyclists, bird watchers, and in the winter months, perfect for whale watching too. De Hoop Nature Reserve is exactly what the name suggests. It is the promise of finding a space where the last colony of the Cape vultures thrive. It is the hope of finding indigenous species of waterbird along the vast wetlands. It is an energizing cycle ride through the game reserve with unhindered zebra, ostrich and gresbok passing you by. It is looking out your window, watching the sun dip behind the hills and inhaling the beauty.
So the different conservation programs which is on the WIP, we are a private company, so we would do activities as part of the different programs. The different activities what we offer would be bird walks, that's in the morning, marine interpretive walks, which is focusing more on the marine environment in a marine protected area. Eco boat cruise, which is focusing on the international Ramsar site, which is protected here. The vulture excursion, which we do in Potberg, which is focused on the vulture colony which we have. It's endangered species. And because of the diversity of fynbos on the premises, we do a cycling tour associated with fynbos.
De Hoop Nature Reserve is a place of hope and nature and relaxation.